Hello my dear friends, Jean-Paul Gaultier of FRAICHE Popeye is a fragrance which at that time sadly I missed it, but all the time I've been thinking about that fragrance, and to be honest with you, I've been waiting last summer and this summer for Jean-Paul Gaultier to release another fragrance similar to that of FRAICHE, but this scent profile didn't arrive. I have here a decant Popeye right here and Superman right here, sent by Adrian Fraghead, which I'm saying big thank you for you again. Please feel free to check out his channel. He's a fragrance user enthusiast like me, not an influencer, so that's a big difference. And I managed to buy from eBay a fragrance, Le Mal of FRAICHE Popeye. Hopefully it's going to be original. I checked the seller before buying this fragrance, so he had the feedback 100% from over 2000 feedbacks received, so hopefully this one is going to be genuine. Let's open this. So hopefully it's going to be genuine. It's not a new bottle, but it's used. So this is the bottle. I paid for this bottle about 44 pounds, something like that. So it smells even from here. This is the 125 ml bottles, so about half, let's say a bit less than half, so that means about 50 ml left, which for this price I believe is a quite honest price. And I have here the original sample sent by Adrian Fraghead, so I'm going to spray this one first because I want to compare them side by side and see if it's 100% genuine. The fragrance seems legit, so I'm quite happy about this purchase. I took just a short break to check the batch code, which is YCJ03, made 2016. So far this fragrance seems extremely close to the decant received from Adrian Fraghead. Again, thank you very much. So I'm quite happy about the purchase, and also I have tested these fragrances. So Superman so far is slightly stronger on my skin than Popeye, but again on my skin, so I would say Superman is about 20% longer lasting. The projection is, let's say, a nuance, something like that, roughly the same, so just a nuance there, but the longevity is better for Superman. Also, I'm looking to find an offer for the Superman. If I can find a good offer and a trusted eBay seller, I'm going to buy it, but I have patience so far. I'm happy with this about 50 ml. Yes, it's about 50-60 ml here, so I'm quite pleased with this scent, which for me is one of the best from Le Mal lineup. And even today, from the non-discontinued fragrances, Le Mal Le Parfum is my favorite. Also, I have the latest Le Mal Elixir Absolu, but even if the performance is much better for Le Mal Elixir Absolu, my favorite is still Le Mal Le Parfum. I have watched a couple of top fragrances for summer, top 10 or something like that, and some influencers have already started pushing in the top 10 for summer sweet scents. I don't totally agree with the sweet scents. I will never suggest for you something like, hey guys, wear Armani Code Elixir in the summertime instead of Acqua di Gio, Profondo Eau de Toilette or Eau de Parfum. Always I'm going to say for the summertime, Acqua di Gio Profondo for me is much better and suitable than Armani Code Elixir or whatever sweet scent that influencer is trying to suggest you. Because for me, high heat summertime means minimum 30 degrees Celsius. In Romania, this summer was like 40 degrees Celsius, so I rather wear something like that, very, very refreshing. But this will be the maximum which I would wear. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, take care of you guys. Bye bye.